So Ben, tell us a little bit about your organization. I understand you're primarily focusing on asset tracking and inventory management right now for the emerging health side of what you do. So explain to me how that process works.
Sure. Today what happens is that we get equipment, various types, and the individuals who are in charge of inventory would take a barcode scanner, point it at the piece of equipment, and that would bring it into our Remedy system automatically. They might have to enter some additional information, but the great thing about this process is that if they're like type of equipments, they can just keep going and it'll retain the information from the previous values.
That's very cool. So previously what did you used to do? What was the old process, and how has this change added value to your organization?
Well, this is a huge success because previously the process would be that it was a manual entry, so they would, for every piece of equipment that came in, they would have to type it in. But it's definitely helped us tremendously, and the data accuracy has increased quite a significant.
And you're an outsourcer as well, right? So
That's
you're doing
correct.
this for multiple different companies.
So we are our own customer with regards to the asset piece, and we also support the other organizations with this. That's correct.
Excellent. Thanks for that, Ben.